Bitcoin is right now breaking out towards the upside during the course of a weekend. So is this breakout going to be a huge trap or not? We need to be talking about that exactly. Bitcoin is starting to form an extremely bullish candle. History is still repeating, and while Bitcoin is pumping towards the upside, the Bitcoin funding rates remain to trade very low. So we need to be talking about that exactly and more. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's at short term. And first of all, what we can be seeing is that while everyone was literally panicking at these lows over here, we have actually been buying the Bitcoin dip. We were having a look into what's many signals that are all pointing towards the fact that this is going to be a massive bear trap. And yes, indeed, we are bouncing off towards the upside right now. And a lot of traders did get fooled during this trap. And right now, while Bitcoin has been bouncing off towards the upside, we've been forming this falling wedge pattern. And right now, potentially, we are breaking above resistance. We are looking to be breaking above and confirming this massive breakout. And yes, at first sight, it is definitely looking very good, okay? We are breaking our downtrend structure over here, which first of all is looking very good. We are confirming our breakout. We've been testing our previous resistance right now as support, been bouncing from off that level, but having a deeper look into the charts, we are of course still trading inside of a weekend. And this is the fact I wanted to be talking about, because you should be watching this video within the coming 24 hours. This is going to be very important, because what I've been saying for so many times is that during a weekend, volatility tends to be lowered and also fake outs tend to be more common. So you should still be very careful with this breakout we are getting right now. Yes, I definitely do think that this is going to be a valid bullish breakout, but not right now during the course of the weekend. I think the odds are way more likely that we are going to be seeing this huge breakout coming next week, and not right now during this weekend, okay? Because usually during the course of the weekend, we tend to just consolidate at around our CME close price, and at the beginning of every single week, we tend to return towards that CME close price, which in this case is sitting at that 62.9k level. So yes, I do think that during this course of this weekend, you should still be a little bit more careful, but definitely the Bitcoin charts are still looking very good, and it is even looking even better right now, because on that weekly time frame, we have just been forming this bullish hammer candle, which is looking very good. It is looking like a reversal candle right now for the Bitcoin price. So I would not be surprised to see from off this moment the Bitcoin price actually reversing and the next leg up actually getting initiated. Now, if we're going to be having a look into what's Bitcoin history, well, it is exactly repeating. We have been having a look into what's this Hong Kong ETF, and it is just exactly repeating the exact price action from of the US ETF. So once again, we are bottoming out and starting to initiate our next leg towards the upside. Just like with our price action from January 2021, it is once again exactly repeating the same exact price action. We have been having a look into what's this exact chart for so many times, but having a look into what's that average correction, we've once again also been getting that average correction. And while literally everyone was flipping bearish at this exact bottom, I've been saying so many times, right now is not going to be the time to be panicking. This is just that average correction that we have been seeing, and all of the emotions that people are getting at this exact bottom is just completely normal, and all of these emotions, we have been seeing it all of the time at all of these bottoms. So right now we are looking to be bottoming out right now with that average correction, where I've been warning you guys about so many times. Now, having a look into what's this chart, well, Bitcoin is also forming this bull flag pattern. So if indeed we are going to be bottoming out right here, and we are just going to be initiating a little bit more of a lag towards the upside, and we could be breaking this one out towards the upside as well, well, we do have that price target all the way up towards 112k US dollars, which is absolutely insane. Now, this price target is not going to be getting reached in a matter of just a few days. No, it is going to be taking literally months. So do be aware of that. But literally talking a little bit more about the short term. Well, during this Bitcoin pump that we are seeing in the short term, people are actually trying to be shorting this pump. People are still becoming more and more bearish during this pump. People think that this is actually going to be a huge bull trap before we are once again going to be seeing another leg getting initiated towards the downside. And I think it is absolutely crazy. We can be seeing in the Bitcoin funding rates that majority of the Bitcoin traders are trying to be shorting right now. People are closing their Bitcoin long positions, and literally during this bullish consolidation that we are getting over here, people are becoming bearish. Looking at the Bitcoin funding rates, people are becoming bearish, which for me, I'm becoming more and more bullish because people are becoming bearish, because usually the majority of the Bitcoin traders are wrong. And we can also be seeing this in the Bitcoin liquidity. Majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is sitting at the top side, and Bitcoin usually does tend to go towards a place where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now, it's most definitely towards the upside. So it is just going to be extremely likely that we are indeed going to be seeing another push towards the upside. Now, having a look into this signal, Bitcoin is forming a hidden bullish divergence on that Bitcoin chart as well, indicating that yes, indeed, on that larger time frame, momentum is going to be returning in favor of the bulls. On top of that, we can be seeing that the Bitcoin whales have been accumulating, and you should actually be following the smart money over here. Bitcoin is still going parabolic, and I just think that we are going to be seeing our next leg towards the upside getting initiated. So guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading this yourself as well, make sure to check out that first link down below, because you can right now be claiming this $2,000 trade over on Bybit. On top of that, you are going to be eligible for a $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check out that first link down below. Now, if Bybit is not going to be available in your country, make sure to check out either Phemex or Deepcoin. And I have been saying, yes guys, this is going to be our next best opportunity to enter the market whenever Bitcoin is going to be breaking this one out towards the upside. Still want to be seeing this daily confirmed candle close above this falling wedge resistance. Also want to be seeing some more volume coming in, and I also actually do want to see us trading outside of a weekend again, and then in my opinion really this breakout is going to be getting confirmed. So yeah, it is just looking very good. I think that we are in this part of the cycle. I think we are in this top circle part of the cycle, and in this part literally altcoins are about to explode. This is going to be the best moment to be getting involved in the market. I've been buying this Bitcoin dip, and on the altcoins, I've been buying this dip so freaking hard. And giving a little bit more of an update on these altcoins. Well, Noya, which is an altcoin where I'm very bullish on, well, it has just broken out towards the upside. And I think this is an undervalued gem. I think we are going to be seeing our next leg towards the upside getting initiated. Having a look into what's Render, I literally think that Render is going to be going above the $200 this cycle. I've literally been talking about Render right here in last year of April. It was 1 year ago. I was saying that I think that Render can become a top 30 altcoin, and right now it is breaking into towards that top 30 altcoin region. So yeah, looking very good. I will be talking more and more about altcoins on this channel, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.